They battled into overtime. Albert King, Barkley for three! Oh, no!
Michael Jordan, no timeout. Michael into the front court. Left corner shot by Jordan. Goal!
Harper.
On line with 1 second to go.
Comes into Tucker. Ewing sets a screen. The shot is off. Loose ball. Ewing goes up. The basket counts. Sampson. It goes. It's over.
3 seconds left. Out the doctor. He's got a crack at it. Three-pointer. He got it.
Rebound, Day. Day with 5 seconds into the front court, goes to Malone, into the corner. Malone throws up a brick left side. Oh, my goodness, what a shot! Oh!
Knocked away, loose ball with 15 seconds, and Johnson has it, and he throws up a prayer. And he does. Magic Johnson throws up a prayer.
Milwaukee with the lead as Sumbo knocks it in 1 second. They end on Hodges. Midcourt hooks it on its way.
11 points for Sickman. It's 59-52 at the buzzer. It's good!
Tyler misses a follow, and Spiro comes out running. Unbelievable!
Bagley at the buzzer.
Oh, shot by John Bagley.
1 second to go.
Unbelievable.
Three-pointer.
77. Campbell will throw it up and hit it.
Davis.
Rebound to Herb, and he throws the ball all the way down the court. He made it!
In it comes to DJ. Little coast-to-coast job. It's good!
Hornacek, first 2 of the game. Oh! Out the hoop!
And the Lakers. How about that shot by Magic?
All right, here's Dennis. Gets it into Bird. Larry, a runner. Got it! Ball game's over. Boston wins.
Here comes Magic. He's got it. He throws it on the way for three.
Good!
I don't believe it.
Ames to Bird. He gets a good shot in the Celtics winner.
And here's Hanzik with the ball. A three-pointer by Bill. The Notre Dame shot is an air ball taken by Magic. He throws to the other end. It went in! It went in!
DJ again to make the inbounds pass. The double team in Bird. Larry, fake, fall away.
Hits it at the buzzer. All right.
Unbelievable.
Grabs it, 5 on the 24, into Worthy, he falls down, makes his arch on Magic, 2 seconds left, Magic throws, it's 3 of it goes, and runs!
2-point Maverick lead.
Bird's the man they want to have it. Yes, indeed.
Bird for 3.
Yes!
Got it, Larry Bird for 3 with 4 seconds to go.